As humans, we are blessed with an incredible ability to create and manifest our deepest desires. There is a limitless, all-pervasive force that lurks within us, and it is our mental faculties at work that allow us to materialize ideas that existed only in our heads. Neville Goddard brilliantly demonstrates that we can use this energy to make our dreams come true in as little as 3 days. However, the key to unlocking this power lies in understanding ourselves and what we truly want. It is only when we know exactly what we want that we can unleash our imaginations and make our dreams come true. Finding and following our true passions is more important than adhering to cultural conventions, peer pressure, or even family expectations. Understanding and living a life in accordance with our principles and interests can only begin with an awareness of our own genuine needs and desires. Although it may be challenging, taking the time to learn about ourselves is crucial if we want to find happiness and meaning in life. Once we have identified our true wish, we embark on a transcendent journey to manifest our deepest desires with our very souls as the vessel of our transformative will. It is in this mystical realm of the mind's eye that we must take the next step, daring to envision the outcome as if it has already come true. By embracing the extraordinary power of our imagination, we weave the tapestry of our destiny, creating a vivid mental image of our desired reality. We breathe life into it with all the sensory details and emotional intensity we can muster, allowing the universe to conspire with our dreams and guide us through the ethereal labyrinth of existence. In this process, we are not mere mortals, but rather creators, sculptors of our own destiny, shaping our future with the power of our boundless imagination. With every detail we conjure in our mind's eye, we release a ripple into the vast ocean of possibilities, summoning the forces of the cosmos to align with our deepest aspirations and charging the air around us with the energy of infinite potential. This fuels our unwavering determination to manifest our dreams and embrace the awe-inspiring interconnected dance of existence. As we set out on this wondrous journey of self-discovery and transformation, we immerse ourselves in the imagined reality of our deepest desires, transcending the ordinary confines of our daily lives. With each vivid visualization and the ensuing peaceful slumber, we unite with the universe, embracing the limitless, all-pervasive force that lurks within us and allowing it to guide us towards our greatest potential. The power of the mind is truly limitless, and when we allow it to work its mystical magic on the fabric of our lives, we open ourselves up to a world of endless possibilities. It is our mental faculties that allow us to materialize ideas that once existed only in our heads, and it is through the power of our thoughts and emotions that we can tap into the infinite potential that resides at the core of our being. The process of manifestation has its roots in age-old knowledge, passed down through the ages by philosophers, mystics, and sages. It is a potent illustration of the influence of our thoughts and feelings as we conjure up ideas of limitless wealth, unshakable love, and unsurpassed achievement. By having an unflinching faith in our capacity to bring our most beloved goals into reality, we awaken to our true purpose in this world. We realize that we are not passive bystanders in this grand cosmic play, but active participants and co-creators of our own destinies. This dynamic process requires us to give in to the ups and downs of cosmic energy, accepting the interconnectivity of all things and the limitless potential that resides within us. It is in this holy place that we are reminded to embrace the beauty and mystery that are inherent to life, moving in time with the cosmos and believing that each step will lead us closer to our ultimate fulfillment. When we allow ourselves to rest, dream, and believe, we open the doors to our most glorious manifestations. The secret to unlocking our true potential is hidden inside the quiet of our sleep. It is during this time that we can connect with the boundless energy of the universe, allowing it to work its mystical magic on the fabric of our lives and conspire in our favor. As we embark on this wondrous journey of self-discovery and transformation, we must remember that we are not mere mortals, but creators and sculptors of our own destiny. With every detail we conjure in our mind's eye, we release a ripple into the vast ocean of possibilities, summoning the forces of the cosmos to align with our deepest aspirations and charging the air around us with the energy of infinite potential. In this mystical realm of the mind's eye, we must take the next step, daring to envision the outcome as if it has already come true. By embracing the extraordinary power of our imagination and weaving the tapestry of our destiny with all the sensory details and emotional intensity we can muster, we breathe life into our dreams and allow the universe to conspire with us, guiding us through the ethereal labyrinth of existence. However, in order to truly harness this power, we must first let go of our past failures, doubts, and fears, and approach each moment with a clean slate. This means letting go of our limiting beliefs and replacing them with positive affirmations and visualizations of our desired outcome. We must keep believing that our deepest desires will come true, even in the face of adversity and doubt. The world is constantly conspiring with our aspirations, providing us with a chain of circumstances that will bring us closer to the realization of our goals. These occurrences may appear as coincidences or chance encounters, but when viewed through the lens of faith and trust, they reveal themselves as divine direction, guiding us towards our ultimate destiny. As we travel along this path, we must learn to see every experience as a stepping stone towards our objective, rather than a setback or obstacle. By shifting our perspective in this way, we transform ourselves into receptacles of bravery and resolve, empowered to navigate the maze of life with an unwavering faith in the strength of our aspirations. This enlightened state of mind allows us to rise above the mundane and enter a world where our awareness is in perfect harmony with the grand symphony of the cosmos. We come to understand that our dreams are not random musings, but rather guiding lights on the route of our soul's journey through the enchanting landscape of life. As we embark on this mystical journey of self-realization and manifestation, we must remember the core principle that underlies all of creation. With God, all things are possible. This divine power resides within each and every one of us, waiting to be harnessed for the greater good. When our imagination is aligned with this divine force, it becomes an unstoppable force of creation, capable of manifesting our wildest dreams and desires. As children of the universe, we are born with the birthright to create our own destinies and shape our own realities. In order to do this, we must keep our hearts open and our minds focused on the positive outcome we desire. We must trust in the process and believe that the universe is always working in our favor. With each step we take, we move closer to our ultimate fulfillment, guided by the wisdom of the cosmos and the infinite power of our own imagination. The divine essence of the cosmos is a powerful force that exists within each of us, propelling us to transcend the limitations of our current circumstances and reach unimaginable heights. This force can only be unlocked through our unwavering belief in our own capabilities and the divine power that resides within us. When we believe in ourselves and our abilities, we can harness the limitless energy of our imagination and create a tapestry of infinite possibilities for our lives. We must delve into the depths of our consciousness and explore the uncharted realms of our minds to uncover the boundless potential that lies dormant within us, waiting to be awakened and unleashed upon the world. As active participants in the eternal dance of creation and destruction, we shape the very fabric of reality with our thoughts, emotions, and actions. We weave our dreams into the tapestry of existence and leave our indelible mark upon the sands of time. We are the creators of our own destinies and powerful beyond measure, armed with the knowledge that we are indeed children of the universe. To realize our goals and aspirations, we must concentrate on the outcome, immerse ourselves in the sensations of the desired condition, and be true to our assumptions. We must accept that we are the driving force behind events, and that with steadfast faith and perseverance, the apparently unachievable becomes feasible. Unlocking our potential affects not only our own lives, but also the lives of those around us. By encouraging others to believe in the boundless potential within themselves, we can create a world filled with hope, love, and limitless possibilities. In conclusion, The divine essence of the cosmos is a powerful force that exists within each of us, waiting to be awakened and unleashed upon the world. It is through our unwavering belief in ourselves and our abilities that we can harness this force and create a tapestry of infinite possibilities for our lives. Let us embrace our divine inheritance and embark upon this wondrous journey of self-discovery and transformation, leaving our indelible mark upon the sands of time. That concludes today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel for more of this kind of stuff.